What a good day for fishing!
Let's see if I can hook the biggest fish!
Oh!
Check it out! There are candies underwater?
Best day ever! Woohoo! All my candies! They're gone!
Huh?
I've got to stop this!
Ah! That must be the biggest candy ever! Help me!
Come on, people! We got this!
Oh!
Ouch! Where are we?
You kiddos dared to swipe my candies? No, we didn't!
Huh?
You're gonna pay for this!
Huh?
Run! I hope she can't track us down!
Huh? Caught you, sneaky mice! Wow! Good stuff!
You're right! Can't stop eating! Huh! Are you messing with me? Uh-oh, looks like we can't eat the gummy candies!
Oh my gosh, it's squishy!
Stop, you intruders! You won't get away next time!
We've made it out!
Let's head back to the chocolate lake and return home!
My only mission is to catch those intruders! A chocolate feast! Yum!
I don't think we stand a chance against this monster!
But we can outsmart him!